too.
Yeah. Oh, look at that little face.
Evelyn, what is it?
Try again.
Tear go. Arr. There you go.
Pull.
Alright.
Pull.
Hercules.
Pull harder.
Evelyn, go.
Pull harder. There you go. There you go.
Me, a big rocket ship.
Is it a rocket ship?
No.
Is it a rocket ship?
No.
Pull. Here's a hole.
Does she help?
No, she's a woman. She don't need help.
Oh, what is
Oh
that?
my goodness.
It rattles.
Look at that face.
Look at that.
What is it?
Oh, tear it here.
Whoa.
It's like, whoa, what is that?
Oh.
Such concentration.
I don't know.
What is it?
A piggyback. I need a knife.
Evelyn, what is it? Is it
Yeah, turn it on the bottom.
is it a doggy?
No, a piggyback.
Turn it on the bottom. Oh, turn it on the bottom. There's a little on switch.
Just turn it on here.
Oh, there you go.
Whoa. Is it on?
Yeah, it's on. It's on.
All right, put the money in and see what happens. Does he light up his nose?
Now push his nose. Push his nose in.
Pig.
Okay, Evelyn, we have another one.
One more present.
One
Open
more.
another
You can play
present.
with that tomorrow.
Oh, there's a nice present.
This is a big
Oliver
one.
gets last one, okay?
They don't make those anymore. I had to go searching for it.
What is that, Evelyn?
Yeah.
Huh. What is that?
Concentration.
Just, can you watch this? Okay. Uh-oh. What is it?
I don't know.
Oliver, sit down, please.
I don't know.
It's okay. Let Evelyn
Tear the
find out.
paper.
I asked
What is it, Evelyn?
What is it?
Get all the paper off, Evelyn.
What is it?
Hercules.
Get going.
House.
You can do it. You can do it.
What's that, Mommy?
Here.
Mommy.
Yes, fine.
What's
Well,
that?
let's see. Let me get the paper off so we can see.
What is that? What is that?
Careful, Evelyn.
Careful, don't fall.
What is that, Evelyn? Is it a house?
Sit down, please.
Say, Mom, you wrapped it too good, huh? Can you
No!
open that, please?
Open that door.
Turn it around.
Open that door. No.
Open it up.
No.
Open it up, sweetie.
Wow.
There's the stuff. Here's the bed. Put the bed in the bedroom. Over there. What is it?
Baby doll.
Here's the baby. Here's the baby bed.
There's a baby swing. There's a little baby you put in there and he swings around. There you go.
Look, there's even a potty, too. Look. Oh, there's a potty.
Here's the table. I'm going to put the table. Here's another table. Here's the baby. I wonder where that came from. Kids in the chairs. Put them in the chairs.
Open the door,
They
please.
just go home so they can't be eaten.
I'm inside.
Some on this side
I
too.
see you too.
Hi.
Very good. Put them inside the house.
Okay, does Oliver want his present now for being such a nice helper?
No.
Oliver would like your present now?
Yes.
Being such a good helper?